Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here today.
It is great to see you, Jack. You look very happy. How are you today?
I am doing very well, thank you. I have my tea and I am ready to talk. And you, Emma, how are you?
I am great, Jack. I am a little busy, but very happy. The weather is beautiful today, isn't it?
Oh, yes, Emma. It is very sunny. The sun makes me want to go outside.
Me too, Jack. But first, we have work to do.
Yes, we do. So, what is the topic for today, Emma?
Today, we are talking about job interviews. We will learn how to introduce yourself when you want a new job.
Wow, Emma. That is a very important topic. Many people feel nervous about interviews.
Yes, Jack. Even in our own language, it is sometimes hard. In English, it can feel even more difficult.
But Emma, we are here to help. We want to make it easy for everyone.
Exactly, Jack. We have some great tips and examples for our listeners today.
But wait, Emma. Before we start, I want to remind everyone to click the like button if you enjoy our podcasts.
Yes, and please subscribe to Talk Data. It helps us a lot. And share this podcast with your friends. If you know someone who is looking for a job, send this to them. It can really help.
Thank you, Emma. Okay, let's start. Imagine you are at an office. You are sitting on a chair waiting for the boss.
Oh, Jack, my heart is beating fast just thinking about it.
Don't be nervous, Emma. The first part of a job interview is always the same. The boss will say, "Hello, please tell me about yourself."
Ah, yes, the famous question, tell me about yourself. It sounds simple, but it can be hard to answer.
Yes, Emma. Many people do not know what to say. Should they talk about their cat, or their favorite movie, or maybe their breakfast?
Probably not their breakfast, Jack. This is a job interview. You need to talk about your work and your skills.
Right, Emma. Think of it like a small story. A story about you and your work.
So, where do we start the story?
Start with the greeting and your name. It is simple but important. For example, "Hello, my name is Jack." And don't forget a smile.
Yes, smile and look at the person. It gives confidence. Then you can say where you are from. For example, I am from London, or I am from Brazil.
Okay, so name, city, and then what?
Then you talk about your job, your profession, and your experience.
Let's give some examples for our listeners.
Good idea. Let's start with a teacher. Emma, imagine you are a teacher. How do you say it?
I can say, I am a teacher. I have 5 years of experience. I love helping students learn.
Perfect, Emma. Experience is a great word. It shows how long you worked in a job.
Yes, Jack. Even 1 year or 10 years is important experience.
What about a doctor, Emma?
A doctor can say, I am a doctor. I work in a big hospital. I help people feel better.
Very clear, Emma. And a nurse?
A nurse can say, I am a nurse. I am very organized and I care about my patients.
Organized is a very good word for a job interview. Bosses love organized people.
Yes, Jack. What about a chef?
A chef can say, I am a chef. I love cooking delicious food. I work well in a busy kitchen.
That is a strong sentence, Jack. It shows you are not afraid of hard work.
Exactly, Emma. And what about a driver?
A driver, like a bus driver or delivery driver, can say, I am a driver, I am very punctual, and I know the city very well.
Punctual is a useful word. It means always on time. Bosses really like that.
Yes, Jack. And if someone works in an office...
Emma, what if someone works in an office, like an assistant or a receptionist?
They can say, I am an office assistant. I am good with computers and I like talking to customers.
Good with computers is a skill. Skills are important to mention in an interview.
But Jack, what if I don't have a job right now?
That's okay, Emma. You can say, I am a student. I study engineering. I am very hardworking and I want to learn.
I want to learn is a great thing to say. It shows that you have energy.
Yes, Emma. Bosses like people who want to learn.
Let's try an engineer. An engineer can say, I am an engineer. I like solving problems and building new things.
Solving problems is a very important skill for many jobs, Emma.
Okay, Jack, let's look at the structure again. First, you say your name.
Then you say your profession, like teacher, doctor, or engineer.
Next, you can mention your experience or skills.
And finally, you can say one more thing, like why you are there.
For example, I want to work for this company because I like your work.
That is perfect, Emma. It shows you know the company and you're interested.
Let's try some more jobs, Jack. What about a sales assistant in a clothes shop or supermarket?
A sales assistant can say, I am a sales assistant. I am very friendly and I like helping people find what they need.
Friendly is a key word for sales jobs.
How about a waiter or a waitress?
They can say, I am a waiter. I have 2 years of experience in restaurants. I am very fast and I always smile.
A waiter who smiles is the best waiter, Emma.
I agree, Jack. What about a mechanic, someone who fixes cars?
A mechanic can say, I am a mechanic. I'm very good with my hands, and I can fix many types of cars.
Good with my hands is a natural way to show your skill.
What about a photographer, Emma?
A photographer can say, I am a photographer. I take beautiful photos for weddings and parties. I am very creative.
Creative is another wonderful skill, Emma. Artists, designers, and writers are all creative.
Yes, Jack. I am a graphic designer. I am creative and I use many computer programs.
Wow, Emma, we have many examples now. Teacher, doctor, nurse, chef, driver, assistant, student, engineer.
Sales assistant, waiter, mechanic, photographer, and designer.
That's a lot of jobs, Emma.
Yes, Jack. And now our listeners have many examples to practice for their interviews.
It makes introducing yourself much easier, Emma.
Yes, Jack. Just remember, smile, speak clearly, and talk about your skills and experience. Jack, you remembered all the jobs we talked about. Good job.
I am trying, Emma, but what if I am nervous and forget the words?
That is a very good question, Jack. If you forget a word, just stay calm and take a deep breath.
Can I say, I am sorry, I am a little nervous?
Yes, Jack, it is okay to say that. It is human. The boss will understand.
And I can use simple words, right, Emma? I don't need big, difficult words.
No, Jack, you don't need big words. Simple words are better. Clear words are better.
So, I am a hard worker is better than a long, confusing sentence.
Exactly, Jack. I am a hard worker is short and true.
I like that, Emma. Short and true. Sounds good.
Another good tip, Jack, is to practice at home before the interview.
Like in the mirror, Emma?
Yes, Jack. Talk to the mirror. You can say, hello, my name is Emma. I am a podcast host. I have 3 years of experience. I am happy to be here.
I will practice today, Emma. Hello, Mira. I am Jack. I am very funny and I like tea.
Jack, is being funny a good skill for a job?
Maybe, Emma, if I want to be a clown.
Well, maybe for some jobs, Jack, but for most jobs, being friendly or professional is better.
Professional, Emma? What does it mean?
It means you take the job seriously, Jack. For example, you can say, I am very professional.
Okay, Emma. A mechanic can say, I am a mechanic. I am very good with my hands, and I can fix many types of cars.
I like that expression, Jack. Good with my hands. Sounds very natural.
And a photographer can say, I am a photographer. I take beautiful photos for weddings and parties. I am very creative.
Creative is another wonderful skill, Jack. Artists, designers, and writers are all creative.
Yes, Emma. I am a graphic designer. I am creative, and I use many computer programs.
Wow, Jack. Now we have many examples. Teacher, doctor, nurse, chef, driver, assistant, student, engineer.
Sales assistant, waiter, mechanic, photographer, and designer.
You remembered them all, Jack. Good job.
I am trying, Emma, but what if I am nervous and forget the words?
Jack, that is okay. If you forget a word, stay calm. Take a deep breath.
Can I say again? I am sorry. I am a little nervous.
Yes, Jack, saying that is fine. The boss will understand, and it is very normal.
And simple words are better than long sentences, Emma.
Yes, Jack. Keep it simple, keep it clear. Say your skills, your experience, and why you want the job.
I understand, Emma. I will practice today in front of the mirror.
That is the best way. Yes, Jack, it is okay to say that.
It is human, Emma. The boss will understand.
And Jack, you can use simple words. You don't need big, difficult words.
Really, Emma? Simple words are better than long sentences?
Yes, Jack. Simple is better. Clear is better.
So, I am a hard worker is better than a long, confusing sentence?
Exactly, Jack. I am a hard worker is short and true.
I like that, Emma. Short and true is easy to say.
Another good tip, Jack, is to practice at home before your interview.
Like in the mirror, Emma?
Yes, Jack. Talk to the mirror. For example, hello, my name is Emma. I am a podcast host. I have 3 years of experience. I am happy to be here.
I will practice today, Emma. Hello, mirror. I am Jack. I am very funny and I like tea.
Jack, is being funny a good skill for a job?
Maybe, Emma, if I want to be a clown.
Well, Jack, maybe for some jobs, but for most jobs, being friendly or professional is better.
True, Emma. Professional is a good word.
Yes, Jack. Professional means you take the job seriously.
Okay, Emma. So we have the introduction, we have the profession, and we have the skills.
That's right, Jack. But what happens at the end of the interview?
Usually, the boss says, "Thank you, Jack. Do you have any questions for me?"
Oh, questions. Should I ask about the money, Jack?
Maybe not in the first minute, Emma. A good question is, what is a typical day like here?
Asking what is a typical day like shows you are interested in the work.
Yes, Emma. Or you can ask, how big is the team?
That is a good question too, Jack. It shows you want to work with other people.
And then I say, thank you for your time. Have a nice day, Emma.
Yes, Jack. Then you stand up, smile, and walk out with confidence.
Exactly, Emma. See? It is not so scary.
You make it sound easy, Jack.
It takes practice, Emma, but everyone can do it.
That's true, Jack. Every professional was a beginner one day.
I remember my first job, Emma. I was so nervous.
Really, Jack? What was your first job?
I was a cleaner in a school, Emma.
Really? A cleaner?
Yes, Emma. I can say, I am a cleaner. I am very fast, and I make everything shine.
I make everything shine. Jack, that is a perfect sentence for a cleaner.
Yes, Emma. It is simple and true.
See, Jack, no matter the job, you can make a short, clear, and confident introduction.
That is good, Emma. Now I feel more ready for an interview.
That's the goal, Jack. Practice, stay calm, smile, and you will do well.
Emma, it was a good job today. I learned a lot about being on time.
Yes, Jack. Every job gives you experience, even if it is a small job.
Exactly, Emma. I think we gave our listeners a lot of good things to think about.
I think so too, Jack. We talked about how to start an interview, what to say, and we gave many examples of jobs.
Should we remember the main points together, Emma?
Yes, Jack. Let's do that. It was a fun conversation.
I remember, Emma, we said to start with a hello and a big smile.
Yes, Jack. A big smile is the first step for confidence.
Then you say your name and where you are from, Emma.
That's simple and friendly, Jack. It makes a good first impression.
And the most important part is your job and your experience, Emma.
Like when we said, I am a teacher or I am a chef, Jack.
And don't forget your skills, Emma. Bosses love words like organized, punctual, and hardworking.
Oh, Jack, my favorite part was solving problems. That is a great skill for an engineer or anyone.
Yes, Emma. And we said it is okay to be a little nervous.
You can even tell the boss you are nervous, Jack. It makes you feel more relaxed.
And at the end, you say thank you and ask a simple question about the work, Emma.
Perfect, Jack. You remembered everything.
Well, Emma, it was a very interesting chat. I feel like I am ready for an interview now.
But Jack, you already have a job here.
That is true, Emma, and I love my job at Talk Data.
Me too, Jack. It is the best job in the world.
It really is, Emma. Well, everyone, we hope this helps you.
Yes, Jack, we believe in you. You can do it. Just practice your introduction.
And before we go, Emma, we want to hear from our listeners.
Yes, Jack, we have a question for the comments.
Tell us, Emma, what is your job? Or what is your dream job?
Music. Yes, Jack, practice your introduction in the comments.
You can say, hello, my name is, I am a.
We love reading your stories, Jack. It is so fun to see where you are from and what you do.
And Emma, please, if you found this helpful, share it with one friend today.
Yes, Jack, sharing is caring.
And don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, Emma.
Thank you so much for listening today, Jack. You are all amazing.
Yes, thank you, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye for now, Jack.
Bye-bye, Emma.